I'm Jennie Lok with Wilson Leon's Real Estate Associates, and we're here at 955 Ridgeview Ct Unit B in South San Francisco. I'm gonna give you a tour today. So it's a beautiful top floor condo, as you can see, with the high ceilings here, and we have a lot of bright light. Here's a nice living space area with a fireplace with nice updated floors. If you do look outside, you see the San Bruno Mountains views as well. So you're basically on the top of a mountain, and it's very peaceful and quiet here. So here you also can have a formal dining room space area with some updated lighting. And we walk into the kitchen here. So you have a lot of good counter space with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances as well too. And of course, a gas stove. A lot of condos only have electric stoves, so it's nice to have gas, especially people who love cooking. So let's take a walk down the hall and look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Let's walk in. Before then, we do have a lot of closet space and pantry space, which is really nice. And here is the bathroom. We do have the shower and the tub in this bathroom. And let's walk into, so this is the second bedroom, the smaller of the two. So here is very private. You don't have too many neighbors looking into you, and high ceilings again as well too. When we enter here, this is the larger living room, the living bedroom space. So it is high ceilings as well, and nice and updated, and a lot of bright light. So I really enjoy living here. I actually have a house not too far away. Some of the great amenities are that there's 3 Costco's here, and a Trader Joe's, Bart, Caltrain, and also just a lot of fun amenities, a downtown area on Grand Avenue too. So we hope you enjoy this tour, and let us know if you're interested in a private tour. And my number is 650-250-3050. You can also contact our team and go on our website at teamwlrea.com. Thank you.